Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice has and have. Yes, we already learned how to use them. Now it's time to practice and speak together. So let's begin. has और have का प्रयोग हम पहले ही वीडियो में पढ़ा चुके हैं, पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 में. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले जो नहीं मेरा फर्स्ट वन और सेकंड वन जो वीडियो देखे हैं, सबसे पहले उनको देखिए, तब जाकर आपको ये समझ में आएगा. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन आवर प्रैक्टिस क्लासेस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, राजकुमार कम हियर. मेरे पास घड़ी है. स्पीक लाउडली.
I have watch.
Yes.
I do not have watch. Do I have watch? Do I not have watch? Why do have watch?
Why do I have? Very good. Next you come. Your name is ऋषि. ठीक है, आपको पास घड़ी है.
You have watch.
Yes.
You do not have watch.
Yes.
Do you have watch? Do you not have watch?
Yes.
Why do you have watch? Why do you not have watch?
वेरी गुड. देखिए, जैसे हाई जब का हम प्रयोग पहले ही पढ़ा चुके हैं. एक सेंटेंस बोलिए और उस पर 6 बनाइए, तब जाकर आपका इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव होगा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज शिवानी. नो, योर नेम? अनन्या कुमारी. कम. उनके पास घड़ी है.
He has watch.
नो, उनके के लिए दे.
Oh, sorry.
हाँ बोलो.
They have watch.
हाँ.
They do not have watch.
यस.
Do they have watch?
यस.
Do they not have watch?
वेरी गुड.
Why do they have watch?
हाँ.
Why do they not have watch?
वेरी गुड. ऋषि बोल दी. चलो, नैरा कम. मेरे पास गेंद है.
I have ball. I do not have ball. Do I have ball? Do I not have ball? Why do I have ball? Why do not have ball?
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट शिवानी. मेरे पास किताब है.
I have book. I have book. I do
not have
I
book.
do not have book. Do I have book? Do I not have book? Why do I have book? Why do I not have book?
Why do I not have book? Very good. So if you like my video, so don't forget share and subscribe my channel. So you speak English every day. Okay, so that's all for today. See you the next class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.